In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the issue where your iPhone storage is full, but your iCloud still has space. This is a common problem for many iPhone users, and it can be frustrating when you're unable to capture that perfect photo or download an important app update. Don't worry though, because in the next few minutes we're going to walk through a few steps to help you manage your iPhone storage effectively. First, we need to get a clear picture of what's taking up space on your iPhone. We're going to delve into your iPhone storage settings. Start by going to Settings on your phone, tap on General, and then select iPhone Storage. This screen will give you a comprehensive breakdown of how your storage is being used. Here you can see which apps are consuming the most space alongside other data like photos and videos. Now that we know what's taking up all that space, it's time to take a little digital spring cleaning. Delete any apps you no longer use, large files or photos and videos that you've already backed up to another source. This will give your phone some immediate breathing room. Next, let's make sure that you're truly leveraging your iCloud storage. Ensuring that iCloud Photos is turned on can help shift some of that storage load from your device to the cloud. Head back into Settings, tap on your name at the top to access iCloud settings, then navigate to Photos. Make sure that iCloud Photos is toggled on. This feature uploads your photos to iCloud, which can free up space on your device. While you're in the Photos settings, I recommend enabling the Optimize iPhone Storage option. This feature is a lifesaver if you're running out of space on your device. It works by storing smaller, space-saving versions of photos on your device while keeping the original, full-resolution photos and videos in iCloud. To turn this on, go to Settings, tap on Photos, and ensure Optimize iPhone Storage is selected. Another great way to save some precious space is by offloading unused apps automatically. This feature identifies apps you rarely use and removes them from your device, but don't worry, your data and documents will remain intact. You can always reinstall the app later if you need it. To enable this, go to Settings, select General, navigate to the App Store, and then toggle on Offload Unused Apps. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to managing your iPhone storage more effectively, letting you make full use of your device's capabilities without constantly worrying about hitting that storage limit. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope these tips help ease your storage woes. See you next time.